All right, I'm underneath the hood of a 2007 Chrysler Town & Country. I just wanted to take a moment to show you where the brake fluid reservoir is and the brake master cylinder. I just finished doing a wheel cylinder job on the rear drums and needed to bleed the brakes, so thought this would be a good time to make the video. The brake fluid reservoir is located just to the back left of the battery, right here with the yellow cap. You'll unscrew it, twist counterclockwise, and you'll see your fluid inside of there. This is the brake fluid reservoir. You can see that the full line is right here. So if you look in and you don't immediately see fluid, that means you do not have enough. The brake master cylinder is located right below it, right here. So if you are bleeding your brakes, you're going to want to take this cap off and make sure that you maintain the proper level as you're bleeding the brakes, which means you're taking the air out of the lines after you've replaced brake components. Because as you take a brake component off, air gets into the line. You have to get that air out of the line. Otherwise, you're not going to have the hydraulic pressure whenever you push the brake pedal. It won't have that pressure of the fluid to open up those pistons inside of that wheel cylinder to push those shoes against the drums in the back. So when you're bleeding your brakes, you're going to maintain your level so that it doesn't get too low, so you don't start sucking in air from the top side, because then you've got a real annoying problem. You have a lot of bleeding to do if that's the case. All right, I hope that quick video was helpful for you. This vehicle, 2007, takes DOT 3 brake fluid, according to the user manual. Thanks for watching.